you are the only one who can lift yourself up. Definitely, you can take the help of various mediums. Like if you want, you can watch various motivational videos and whatnot. But towards the end of the day, Shweta, I think that you are your own motivator. You are your own influencer. And you have to lift yourself up because many people will be there to tell you, think positive, be optimistic. But until and unless you do not take an oath by yourself or promise by yourself, I don't think so you can motivate yourself in that way.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
Hi, a very good evening. I'm doing well, Shweta. Thank you so much for asking. What about you? How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking me too.
Okay,
How was
that's
your
awesome.
day?
Yes, it was awesome because of two reasons. Firstly, today I had my favorite junk food, which is momo. And secondly, actually, one of my cousins came to visit in my house and we had a great time. She's about to get married. So, regarding
Oh,
that, we had a lot of discussion. So, it was a great day. What about you?
oh, wow, great to know. My day was quite normal today. Yesterday, I was doing a lot of things, and today I did only editing part. I was recording, and I was quite confused that what type of videos should I make. I was just thinking, and I was wanted to do. I wanted to do making videos, but I didn't do. So that was my that happened to me. I really wanted to make a lot of videos, and I thought, and I decided, but I didn't do that because since morning I was planning everything, and I had a session. One session I did, and then I was thinking because I had a lot of things to make a video, and I wanted to do that. Then suddenly my mother and sister they came today because I
Hmm.
live here in rented house. So they came today, and for a moment they came and they stayed with me. So I delayed things to do, and now it is like evening time. I haven't done yet. Like when we plan anything, and that time if anything happens, like anybody
True.
comes, or that time we don't do, and we procrastinate, and we think that later we'll do, and we don't
Exactly.
do. So that happened to me today, and it was pretty normal day for me. I didn't do much productive. Only one session I had, and I have students, so I wanted to take class for them, but they told me today they are quite busy, or maybe they are doing something, so today they can't do my class. So again, I thought, oh my gosh, what can I do? I didn't do anything, but I was thinking about my content. That was thing. Yeah,
Okay,
that happened.
awesome. Okay, that's
Mhm.
awesome. Good to hear. And it does happen a lot of times that when we want to be productive, it does not happen in that way. And different things are in your mind or in our mind. But when we try to put that into practical life, a lot of problems come. It happens. Again, the next day becomes productive, but Shweta, right?
Yeah, and for me, it's like normal nowadays. It happens usually because nowadays not only teaching English and learning English, but I have responsibility to make videos. And like on YouTube, as we work for English language,
Yes.
so that doesn't work too much that we are so happy and satisfied that we don't need to think only just is speaking English, having sessions with people, and uploading video and getting a lot of subscribers and views. No, that doesn't mean like that, and that doesn't happen, right?
True.
So my channel is not working for that matter much. Like it's fine, but I want to grow more in my channel. So and even now I have a habit of making videos and thinking about some ideas to do something extra, some different things. Now I try to do recording myself outside also. Sometimes I go out and I record myself, and our area is so beautiful, greenery and forest and mountain
Okay.
also. So sometimes I captured in a short form video. So I have to think a lot, and I'm quite confused that I how do I want to be on YouTube nowadays. Like of course I love to teach English, I love to have sessions with people, I want to do a lot of things in English, but apart from that, also I want to capture my life and I want to see my improvement and documentary things like document of my life. And yes, I have documented a lot since my journey started, right? So I can see the improvement and how I was and now how I am. So if I see all the things, I feel more to document myself to see in future. Yeah, so that
That's
is why
awesome.
a lot of things.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Good to hear that you are doing quite well. And definitely, and the irony in this situation is that today's topic is also productivity. And we already started talking about it halfway. Right?
Yeah,
So,
yes, I didn't know that the topic is productivity.
yes, it is.
Yeah, I didn't get
So,
that.
So I think that's a good thing because halfway we already started discussing about it, right? So I have one question for you. At certain
Mhm.
times when you feel that you are not productive enough, how do you lift
Mhm.
yourself up? What do you prefer to do during that time?
I study something that I like to do, or sometimes I watch videos, or sometimes just I scroll videos and use social media. And if I don't do those things, then I just keep thinking. I think a lot. I'm an overthinker, I think. So some ideas I think a lot. If I don't do anything like a productive day, but still I love to think or I love to, you know, observe myself. And as I told you, I do my domestic chores. So that time I think a lot of things and so many ideas come in my mind. And especially when I wash dishes, that time I feel so calm and positive and think a lot. And when I sweep my house, my room, so also I think and I feel good. I think about myself. So that is what I do. And I feel it's quite amazing day for me because I love to think about myself. I love to think about my career and I love to think about my activities or what I do, how I'm doing everything in a day. Because we need to think. Only working and doing everything, that's not sufficient. But we need to take a pause and we need to think, need to observe ourselves that what we can do for next day if it is not productive day today for today. So yeah,
Exactly,
that's
exactly.
all.
I agree. Because from all the areas, you are the only one who can lift yourself up. Definitely, you can take the help of various mediums like if you want, you can watch various motivational videos and whatnot. But towards the end of the day, Shweta, I think that you are your own motivator. You are your own influencer. And you have to lift yourself up because many people will be there to tell you, think positive, be optimistic. But until and unless you do not take an oath by yourself or promise by yourself, I don't think so you can motivate yourself in that way. Right?
All right. And what about you? What do you do for that?
Yes. Thank you so much for asking this question, Shweta. Well, I would like to answer it in this way that as we all know that humans or no one is perfect actually. At certain times, unknowingly, we become productive. Like we start reading books, we start learning something, we start talking with people, all of a sudden connecting with people. But sometimes we feel so down, we feel like, no, I don't want to do
Yeah.
that again. I just want to cover myself in a blanket and I just want to stay in my house today, like that, right? So, with me also, this kind of things happen a lot, not once, twice, but a lot. My mood starts fluctuating. But instantly, I don't know why, Shweta, whenever I start talking to people and I start listening to their struggles, to their happiness, to their life, because every day, almost every day, I connect with learners and they tell me about their day because I always start my class with this: how was your day? And whenever I ask this question, they start telling me that today this happened, that happened, right? And instantly it lifts me up. I learned one thing that it's not only me, Shweta, everyone is going through this kind of struggles, and this motivates me a lot. So I talk with learners first.
Mhm.
Secondly, I try to listen to some good songs, like rock and roll songs kind of thing, devotional
Yeah.
songs or various mantras and all. Thirdly, I talk with my family. This is what I do. I talk with my siblings.
Yeah.
They crack jokes. I laugh at that. I talk with my mom and dad. So this is what I do. And sometimes seldom I go outside also. eat my favorite
Yeah.
food. So, yes, this is what I do.
Mm-hmm. Yes, likewise. I think I also do in that way. Sometimes going out or going even to the roof
Yes,
and standing and sitting there and seeing sunset and the
right.
nature. It's like very greenery to my near to the roof, so I can see everything greenery, and also sunset is so good in my room here, I would say. So I see that in the evening time, or I go out and I just roam here and there to feel better. Or sometimes I spend time with my family, sometimes I just sleep. I don't
Okay.
think anything, I just sleep. I take a pause and I don't want to think anything, I just want to sleep. That's how also I do.
Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. I think for everyone, this might not work because everyone is different from each other, but I think this people can try doing, or even communicating
Mhm.
with people, Shweta, because I feel before I was like this when I was in my college time, whenever I used to feel demotivated, I used to just lock myself inside in a room. I did
Mhm.
not talk with my friends. I did not pick up their calls on many instances. But then all of a sudden, I used to think that those people who are in your life, you should try to cherish them because not every time they will be checking up on you, right? So nowadays,
Yeah.
I'm trying to reconnect with people. I'm trying to reconnect with them also.
Yeah. I haven't started yet.
Mhm.
It's a really great thing that you are doing because nowadays many people don't do. Even
Yes.
I also can't do because I can see there are many people like my friends. There are many friends. They are busy and also they feel that like I'm quite success in my life. I'm doing
Yeah.
this and that. So I don't know. They don't connect with me. So I also feel awkward or I don't know. I don't feel that comfortable as I was feeling earlier in my school college time. So nowadays, I think we should start. We should start. The point that we don't do that is starting. When we start talking or connecting, so it becomes normal. But before that, we think a lot. So it is happening nowadays, and I'm also quite fine that okay, one day I'll do that. I'll do that. I'm just delaying things. But yeah, in that way, we should connect, as you are saying.
Exactly. Exactly.
And
I
okay, so if like I think I forgot. So another question I wanted to ask, that
sure.
is, if you feel that like this is my productive day, like which type of days you think that it is your productive day? What do you do then you feel
Okay.
it's really satisfaction day for you?
Yes, that's a
Yeah.
good question actually. So, actually, I feel that the most productive day in a week is when I'm having less work to do. And in that way, I can focus more on my books, reading, and this kind of things. Sunday. I think it would be a kind of joke for many people when I say Sunday because generally during Sunday, people prefer to take rest. But if I talk about myself, the rest days of the week, I feel that I don't get much time for myself or for doing something very, very, very much productive. But on Sunday, I feel that I can give enough time to myself as well as to those things which I love to do. Like, taking sessions, it is something which I love to do no matter what. Reading books, I am not able to read books the all the days of the week, just only during Sundays, right? And drinking my
Okay.
favorite coffee, I do that during
What?
Sunday. Yeah, watching my favorite web series because every episode is broadcasted during Sunday only. They release one episode. So I think that that is the most because productivity does not mean Shweta that you have to do something forcefully, but whatever you love to do. If you're able to do that, that is also productivity, I think. Right, Shweta? So I prefer to do
Mhm.
all these things in Sunday and talking with people. So I'm the most productive during Sunday. What about you?
Okay, my days are usually same. I would say it's not different, or there is no holiday when I want to. Uh, like when I don't want to do, I don't do. When I want to do a lot of things that I do. So it depends on my mood because my mood swings. It's too much. I would say
Yeah.
always changes, and
Okay.
I just complete my task, which is mandatory to complete on YouTube, to upload videos, to edit, to think about content, to create conversation videos with people like tutors like you, and also with co-learners. That is, I do, and I have the sessions to teach them. So if I complete, then I do whatever I feel, whatever I like to do, I do. And one more thing I wanted to say, that as you said that you watch web series, this is quite fascinating for me,
Yes.
but you won't believe, to be honest, I haven't watched any of web series,
Mm-hmm.
and I haven't started yet to watch them, and I don't have idea to see where like Netflix and people use so many platforms to watch series. I haven't started yet. To be honest, even movies also I haven't watched that much, like Hollywood movies. I
Okay.
have I watch only Bollywood movies. Earlier I was watching, but nowadays no movies, no series, nothing like that. And series maybe I have watched, but one or twice, like one, yes, twice, yes,
Okay, okay. That's
till
awesome.
now. I have
Okay.
completed my college. I've completed my school. And till now I haven't watched anything like that. But yeah, I love, I when I think or when I listen from people, I want that yes, I should watch movies, I should watch series, I should read books. Even I don't read books that much. Whatever I read, like simply I do, but not like task that I complete so many books. I can tell you that okay, I have completed so many books. No, I just read for the English language, and for the knowledge, I haven't started yet. I'm doing
Okay.
just college studies and masters. That's it.
Okay. I see. I see. Great,
For
great.
English, I do. I research when I research for grammar, and for English, for that matter, I do.
Okay, okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. And I think that different people, as I said, have different way of motivating themselves, staying productive. And I'm very happy to listen to your routine, to your schedule, whatever you said. And I'm also very
Mhm.
happy to say that whenever we connect or reconnect, actually, reconnecting will be the right word to say because it's like we reconnect very less, but whenever we are reconnecting, we have a lot of things to say, lot of things actually to ask, to say, but again every time it's always
Right.
the time constraint. Right, because of that, but because of this it's the best thing, as next again we will be meeting and talking about various things, right? Many things
Uh,
we have,
As
right?
well, thank you so much. I would like to say this because I was, I think, again waiting for your conversation. It
Okay.
was long time that we haven't, but
Hmm.
today I have completed. So I think I'm feeling quite fresh. When I talk to you, I feel really, truly that I'm sharing about my feelings, about my
Hmm.
personal things, and comfortable. That is
Thank
what
you
I
so much.
believe.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. That's the biggest compliment someone could share with me. And of course, I would say one more thing. You don't have to thank me because I will also have to thank you in that instance. Every time we are talking, I love to listen to you, and it's always smiling and smiling. As you can see, I have a big smile on my face whenever I talk with you because of the way you express yourself, Shweta. You're very expressive and very simple. And because of that, I think people love you. Maybe that's the reason why. And I hope to reconnect with you again. Definitely, just like always, I would say that you are trying your best to improve and you are a very good speaker. Definitely. And consistency is very important no matter what, even for a native speaker. So I would say thank you so much for joining today's session. I hope to catch you later. Thank you.